VINCI Pro AI. Hey there, welcome to my VINCI Pro AI review. In this video, we are going to look at a demo video, sneak peek inside the members area to see the main features of VINCI Pro AI and the different graphics editing tools you have access to inside the members area and the pros and cons of this software app. Before we dive in, just to let you know, my name is Adam from Web Traffic Toolkit, from the Web Traffic Toolkit Reviews YouTube channel, and I've been earning a full-time income online, working from home doing digital marketing for well over 10 years now, which has been really cool. So I've seen lots of different systems come and go in that time. So hopefully all that experience will help you out as you research VINCI Pro AI Reviews. Also, if you want to discover my .1 system to plug into right now for generating a realistic income online, then click the link below. Click the webtraffictoolkit.org link in the video description below. That's my .1 system, a complete done-for-you system, and a really excellent way to get going, getting traffic, and getting those realistic and consistent commissions coming in. So click that Web Traffic Toolkit link in the video description below for that top recommended online system. So VINCI Pro AI is a latest of one of these product launches that seems to come out on a regular basis now, which gives you access to a number of AI graphics tools. So it's very much a graphics editing tool with VINCI Pro AI. On the sales page, they claim it's a Canva ChatGPT-4 Mid-Journey killer app, in terms that it's supposed to replace these services. I found that is highly unlikely with these product launches because these top AI software tools, both for text generation and image generation, they have big teams all focused on just those tools for the long term, and often you get really good free access to some of those tools before you even need to upgrade. So it's unlikely that a product launch vendor who launches a new product each month is suddenly going to be able to create a better tool than all of those tried and trusted methods and then release another product next month and support that initial software. So whilst I'm skeptical this is going to be better than the type of AI apps that specialize in image generation that are already out there, I still think there is likely to be some value for the typical beginner because of the low cost one-time price for VINCI Pro AI. So you've got a whole host of different editing software tools with AI, and we can take a quick look inside the members area to see exactly what you get. So the first tool is an AI image generation tool, and you're basically just giving it a prompt, selecting the resolution output, and you can also select the number of outputs you want it to give you. So it can give you full 4 or 5 or 6 different alternatives of the same image, and you can select the best one. So you've got a standard AI image generator as the first tool, and some of the outputs they give you are quite high quality. They almost look like they've got some sort of extra Hollywood style production to the images. So it's not just a generic cartoon. It's got that kind of professional lighting and effects. So it doesn't look like a completely realistic image, but it's more of a stylized version of stock images, which looks quite professional with the AI image generator. The bulk of the tools, however, are in this image editing section, and you've got fashion tools where you can actually change the clothing that the person is wearing. That's quite good if you've got some sort of influencer account in the fashion niche or some marketing some sort of products. You can have a standard base image and change the products, change the background around. You've got a background remover. That's good for graphics editing, helpful for creating YouTube thumbnails and infographics if you want the foreground image in the foreground, the person in the image to really stand out and get rid of the background. You've got face generation software. You can really up the resolution for the images with super resolution. You've got an image mixer tool, which you can mix and match various images to create something unique. You can relight the image in a certain way to give it a certain effect that you're looking for. You've got image guided editing. You've got the ability to add depth to an image. You've got the multi-view function, blip diffusion. You've got a magic mix and in painting. So there's lots of different tools and effects you can add to these images within the members area. And basically you just dragging and dropping an image you already have or selecting it from the URL, write the prompt for exactly specifics of what you're looking for within each of these apps, and the software will go about editing the image, improving it, adding effects, and just to really make the image pop and stand out. And then you can use this for your marketing campaigns, or you can become a freelancer and offer these type of image editing services on Fiverr or Upwork or freelancing sites, or just add this to your toolkit of services you can offer with image editing. These type of services are quite good for AI influencer accounts, where you're getting high production images created with AI to market products. Inspirational influencers, where you can change the background. It looks like they're marketing products in certain tourist attraction areas without you having to manually go and do that yourself. So there's quite a lot of different business models you can plug into with the ability to change the faces, the backgrounds, the clothing of stock images of actors, models, or even your own image to use as the base starting point. So it's really good to see all this packaged in together with Vincy Pro, and then you can create the initial high quality AI image with that high quality production with the AI image generator, and then you can go to the AI imaging editing to improve the image and add the effects afterwards. You've also got GIF generation, where you can create GIFs for more memes and comedy approaches, if that's what you're doing with your social media marketing. You've got the ability to change the faces out for the characters. You can combine the images, and you've also got stock image. You can search stock images from their library and use them for free, use their license rights of stock images and stock videos for the different output you are looking for. So some really cool image editing tools as part of Vincy Pro AI. No, I don't think it's going to replace any of the tried and trusted apps and tools and AI services that are already out there. I think the tried and tested ones are better than a product launch vendor which launches a new product each month, because they haven't got the time to really maintain that initial launch. But for the low price, you're going to get some tools that are useful if you are already a freelancer, already have the use for these type of images, or already have freelancing services you're offering. If you're a complete beginner, brand new, you may not really know or understand how to use these images unless you've got a proper content marketing game plan in place. So both pros and cons with the Vincy Pro AI app. If you want to discover more about how I earn a full-time income online, how I've been doing this from home for over 10 years, and my number one system to plug into right now, then click the link below. Click that link in the video description below. Click the webtraffictoolkit.org link. That's my number one system, a complete done-for-you system, and a really excellent way to get going, getting traffic, and getting those realistic and consistent commissions coming in. So click that webtraffictoolkit.org link in the video description below for my top recommended online system. I'm Adam from the Web Traffic Toolkit Reviews YouTube channel. Thanks a lot for checking out my Vincy Pro AI review, and I will speak soon.